In this video, we'll see how to turn the mobile numbers of people attending your church into a database ready to upload to the Just One Step Ahead website for direct, personalised text marketing. The world says the church should move with the times. Well, move with the times in your marketing, and the world is going to get a shock. Now, if you're the pastor or minister, you could just send out a bulk "Hi Church" text, but A, that means storing everyone's phone number on your mobile and keeping up to date, and B, it's obvious it's a bulk text. It's lacking the gentle, intimate touch of a proper, personalised message. It could even put some people off. So, we have contacts' mobile numbers on various leaders' phones, written down in a book maybe, and also, if your welcoming team have been doing their job properly, on little forms like these, which you can download from the Just One Step Ahead website. So that's stage one, gathering all the information you have. Now let's move to stage two, bringing the info together into a database. We'll have various data fields or variables, as in mobile number, first name, last name, maybe a date, some identifying field, and crucially, the salutation. That's what we'll call that person when we text them. You see, the Just One Step Ahead website will send everyone in your database their own text, starting "Hi", followed by this salutation. You know some of your people will be cool if you call them by their first name. Others want you to be more formal. Using the right salutation will increase the response rate dramatically. You can use Excel or another spreadsheet, or just type them into a text file. I have a data text file open here on the screen. You can see how the first row is a field name headings. TELN stands for the mobile number, title for Mr. and Mrs. Doctor whatever, F name, first name, last name, and a salutation, and no comma after the last field name. But you see how they are separated by commas, both the field headings and the actual data. That's what makes it a comma-separated variable file. If there's nothing in the field, there's nothing between the commas. You see how the mobile numbers start with 44, not 0. Just One Step Ahead is international, so that tells that these are UK numbers. In the mobile numbers, we have a couple of spaces. That's just good practice. If we click on the last one, click our Enter key, we can start entering a new person. Now here's an even easier way. Make a text file of just your column headings, then use the database maker on Just One Step Ahead. I've opened Notepad in Windows, and I'm putting in the same field names as before. Click on File, click on Save As, click on My Documents, click on the Contacts folder that you've made specially for this purpose. We'll call this file of Headings, Headings. It's a text file, click on Save. Now we go to Just One Step Ahead. I'm logged in, click the Database Maker tab. It's only a £5 a month, this program, and it's really flexible. Forget what's there right now, click Upload, click Choose File. Click on your My Documents folder, click on your special folder that you made, click on your Headings file. Click Upload, and it's uploaded it. Now I can start entering. I'll start with me. You should always include yourself in any text you send. Click on the first cell, which is TELN, put in your mobile number, and click the Tab key. You won't see me doing this, but it takes you on to the next field. Click the Tab key, and you can see at the top that it's automatically saving the changes. You see that green thing that's coming up there? And my salutation's going to be Stephen. Now if I want to, I can add a column. Click on Add Columns, call my column Col 6. Now that's inventive, isn't it? I can tell it where to put this after salu. Click Done, and it's made the new column. You can add a column to indicate a new person, or one for email addresses, or their town or district or home group, or whatever. You can also add rows. You can add any number of rows. Let's add 10. You can add rows or columns at any time. Now I've been progressing, and I have around 10 people entered at a rate of under 1 a minute. They're all fictitious apart from me. I did add another column as I went along, and that person's new, so I put new in there. And I put what various people do in the church in my column 6. That'll help us when we text. We can select the people who are new, or the people who are in the choir, or whatever it is. Now I'll save that file back to my computer. I click on Save To, call it Church. Click Export, it saves it as CSV, and you can't see, but it's dropped it down and it's saved it back to that folder on your computer. Always save your data on your machine, and save to from time to time while entering. Spend an evening typing in your data just like that, and you'll have a couple of hundred before it's time for bed. Your church or your business needs a database of members, attenders, customers anyway. Just One Step Ahead gives you an easy way of making it and keeping it up to date with new arrivals. Stage 3 will be using your data, but I think you have enough to get on with for now.